Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have an emergency weather radio that has Bluetooth speaker. It's waterproof. It has a hand crank radio with a solar charging portable AM FM radio with an LED flashlight phone charger. So it also comes with 5,000 milliamp battery. Alright, so right here is the emergency radio. This is an IPXS waterproof design, which is IPX5 waterproof performance, stuff-proof, and anti-drop. You could take it on adventure with you at any time, also in emergency situations. It does come equipped with a 5,000 milliamp large capacity built-in battery, so you could charge 3.5 hours charging time and uses up to 30 hours playtime, 5,000 milliamp battery capacity. You got the one-click activate alarm sound, so you can use the SOS. So right here it says FM. Two types of light. You have the SOS. It is dust-proof, waterproof, and it is also a power bank. The capacity of this is 5,000 milliamp. So let's go ahead and dive into the box and see what we get with this package. So first off, you can see that it is well packaged, and on the bottom of this you do get your user manual and you get the charging wire. So right here is the charging bank right here itself, and down below is their user manual. Here is your charging cable. This is a Type-C charging cable. And then you also get a clip, so when you're out and about you can actually clip this to the battery itself, to your backpack or whatever, your bike. And it just clips just like that. And then you want to tighten it, you could just lift this up right here and tighten it. And then right here is your standard C-type port charging plug. So this can be charged using a Type-C port right here, plus a USB charger plug. And then you get the user manual. This basically just tells you information about the radio itself. So you got your user safety rules, contents, the screen, what each part of the device itself. The best thing about this, that it is portable Bluetooth speaker. It's a small size. You can hold it with one hand, always carry it with you. Not restricted by the Wi-Fi or battery. You can enjoy your music while you're out. So if you're hiking, this is a great thing to bring with you. If you're in an emergency situation, this is another thing to have. So right here on the face, you can see that it does have a digital display. You've got the power, minus, play, plus, and the menu. So that's the play button, and you got the menu button. And there's the display, and at the top is the solar panel. And then you have a compass right here on the right side, and on the left side is your flashlight. And then this is where you can clip that little clip on the side. So right here is the flashlight. And this is where you'll plug it in to charge it if you want to charge it via the wall plug. So you have your Type-C port charging, and you also have a USB port. And this little black thing at the bottom, that is for your hand crank. So the hand crank helps you put out the SOS message. So you'll just lift it right here like that. Just gotta pull it back. And then you just turn it to crank it. So to use it, you'll want to turn on the radio, pull the antenna hidden in the upper left corner of the solar panel. You'll click the M to switch between different modes. Hold and press the up for 3 seconds, then release. The radio will automatically search for all available channels and stops when the search is complete. So by clicking the triangle up is to switch to different stations. Click the plus or the minus to adjust the number of channels. So now if you want to put the crank back, you just put it back in here like that. The best thing about this, it does have solar charging. You can make sure that the reading lamp and flashlight is turned off when you're charging it. Use the solar panel. That way it doesn't kill off the battery. It does have the SOS, like I said. It says do not turn the SOS unless it is an emergency. Do it by very noise, so it does make a lot of noise. The flashlight is nice to have. The 5-watt flashlight that eliminates danger in the dark for any emergency. This has a 3-watt reading lamp. It's perfect for those camping trips. So when you turn it on and off, there's no flashing on this one. And at the bottom, it does have an SOS mode by pushing that, but only do that in emergency situations because it does get pretty loud. And it also has like a little tripod so you can mount it to a bicycle. You can also tie it to a backpack. So this is what it looks like. So there's the power button. It'll say Bluetooth mode. And then it'll start counting down. But when I got this, the battery was completely dead. So I had to charge it up. But the nice thing about this, it does have a compass at the top. So, I mean, it'll help you in your journey. Of course, you get lost. Now, the best thing about this, it has 3 power sources as an emergency kit. So first source is a 5,000 milliamp built-in rechargeable battery for daily use. You also have an emergency hand crank charging and a solar panel. Both provide with sustainable, renewable power to ensure that weather, radio, lights, SOS are available when you need it in the most emergency situation. The Bluetooth receivers to connect to your phone to play music or play any audio file with a TF card you insert into the radio. So this is a great little emergency radio, even if it's not an emergency, if you're out camping or whatever and you want to have a little music and also want to charge your cell phone, I would definitely say check this one out. This is a nice little powerful bank that offers a lot more than just any other bank.